Okay fellas, hi, we have the Bosch 18 volts cheap battery and it's 1.5 or 1.3 amps. Okay, and this one is just not working, so probably the cell is dead or something. Let's check it. Okay. So what we have here, 5 cells, and let's check. Okay, this one looks like that, this one looks like not that, not that, not that, and that. So we have 2 batteries, this one and this one dead. So definitely what we need to do here, we need to replace them. And okay, I need to prepare my key weld for the welding. And then where's my knife? Okay, I probably left it at home. So this one, let's check, it's tiny copper here. Okay, and this one will be just the solder it, I think. Okay, maybe it will be a better way to do that with the solder. Okay, let's prepare the key weld for the welding. Okay, I hope now everything is prepared, and pushing out one of the bad cells and inserting the new cell, and of course this one will be here. So what we can do now, we can just spot weld it, or try to spot weld it, because I don't know if it will be enough battery on a key weld. Okay. Okay, let's just try to catch the one cell, and we will see how it will go after that. Okay, catch it, so now we need to connect it good. Okay, okay. So looks not bad now. Of course we will solder the red wire later here, and okay, now we will catch this cell. So basically we have the battery pack back. Of course now I will put the strips here to solder the wires, and I don't know if it's really needed, but if it was did like that, so I will do the same, and same for the positive fire. And I'm not a big fan of that, but okay. If it's needed, it's needed. And no, basically I don't see the difference if I will solder it here or here. It's still soldered, or solder it to the cell. I don't know why manufacturer did that, but if they did it on a purpose, probably. Okay, so we have the positive here, and now let's go with the negative. I will try to put it like that. Okay, so this one is just like it is, and now we need to do one thing. We have the different voltages here, so that's the only one thing we can do, and we have the different voltages on the cells. I will show you. Okay, if we have 4.14 here, we have 3.46 on this one and 3.46 on this one for the volts. And what I will do, I will plug in the balancer, I will balance it and just assemble it and run back to the customer. So for you, that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to press thumbs up. If you have some questions, write in the comments or message me on Facebook Messenger and so on. For now, just bye.